Are you looking for the best investment for high returns? Are you searching for a way to secure your children's future and financial stability? Do you want your investment to make you rich by next few years? Then, here is the good news. SS Agro Farms, which is a sister concern company of SSL Infra Developers, is one of the fastest growing real estate companies in Hyderabad. It is located in Madhapur, catering to the people of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and now in Kalaburagi, Karnataka. The company has an impeccable track record of over 2 decades, with distinguished projects under various categories such as farmlands, villas, plots, commercial spaces, and apartments in gated communities. SS Agro Farms, the firm's only objective is to offer value proposition to customers who invest on their projects. We guarantee clear documents for our properties, which are verified and approved by the Government of India. As a leading Sandalwood Farmland Venture Development Company in Hyderabad, SS Agro Farmlands is introducing a new venture, Sandalwood Village. A unique opportunity to invest in premium white sandalwood farmland with a guaranteed high returns and sustainable wealth. Indian sandalwood is one of the most auspicious and economically important tree species regarded as the royal tree in India. Especially, Karnataka is number 1 in India with highest producing sandalwood trees. Karnataka's Mysore is also known as the land of sandalwood. This project is located at Kamalapur, Kalaburagi, Karnataka, which is just 500 meters from National Highway Hamnabad Road NH50. Sri Jyotirlinga Devasthanam Kamalapur is adjacent to this project. Why SS Agro Farms Sandalwood project is a good investment. SS Agro Farms has 7+ years of experience in Sandalwood Farmlands Ventures development. Our Eden Garden Sandalwood Farm, which has got launched in 2018 at Shadnagar, Hyderabad, is already giving very good promising results to our customers. The view of grown-up trees at our Eden Garden Farmlands venture looks really perfect as per our company's commitment. All our projects makes us a trustable and reliable real estate brand for investors to get the best investment opportunities. With single investment, get multiple benefits like buyers get their own land with clear title, saving for lump sum amount after retirement, ensuring that you have enough money to pay for your child's college higher education, saving plans for your daughter's marriage. Assured land appreciation in future ensures capital gains. Guaranteed tax-free high returns against any other investment sources. SS Agro Farms investment gives your children a secured future and best financial status. What is white sandalwood? White sandalwood is a variety of sandalwood renowned for its high quality and aromatic heartwood. It is highly valued for its fragrance, which is rich, creamy, and smooth, often used in perfumes, incense, and in making of traditional medicines. White sandalwood is also prized for its wood, which is dense and contains essential oils with a distinctive scent. It is used for pharmaceutical industry, cosmetic product, aromatherapy, perfumes, soaps, and detergents. Sandalwood is always being used in every rituals and cultural programs all across our country, India. Why to invest in sandalwood farmland projects? Sandalwood prices are always consistent on the price rise, as its demand is never ending due to its importance in health and medicines. As of today, the demand of white sandalwood trees is very high, but the supply is limited. Over a period of time, you will get very good returns from trees as well as land appreciation. A guaranteed return of income for your investment is only possible through white sandalwood farms. White sandalwood is a renewable resource with a growing global demand. Over the years, prices have steadily increased from year over year. The phase 1 of this project is built up on 600 acres of organic farmland. The plot sizes are available in 11 guntas, 22 guntas, 33 guntas, and 1.04 acre. The plantation details and developments are based on the land size that you purchase. For example, for 11 guntas, you will get 50 sandalwood trees and 25 fruit trees. For 22 guntas, you will get 100 sandalwood trees and 50 fruit trees. For 33 guntas, you will get 150 sandalwood trees and 75 fruit trees. For 44 guntas, you will get 200 sandalwood trees and 100 fruit trees. The minimum size of plot area to be purchased is 11 guntas, which is 11,979 square feet of area, and in terms of square yard, it's 1,331 square yards of area. To understand the plantation, let's tell you what you will have for 11 guntas of plot purchase. You will get 50 sandalwood trees, 5 mango trees, 5 guava trees, 5 custard apple trees, 5 pomegranate trees, and 5 dragon fruit trees. Similarly, for other plot sizes, the plantation or tree counts will be increased. Not only with your investment, you will get land, sandalwood trees, and fruits tree plantation, but you will also get access to a luxurious lifestyle with amenities like 10 acres mega resort, a premium resort membership, a big multi-floors clubhouse, telescopic tower house, open party lawn, open garden restaurant, children's playground, skywalk, 30+ mini residential cottages, banquet hall, shopping centers, presidential suite rooms, indoor and outdoor swimming pool, multi-cuisine restaurant, AC dormitories, mini cricket stadium, gym and yoga hall, jogging track, basketball court, table tennis court, billiards, volleyball court, and many more. The highlights of the project are main entrance arch and roads, 30 feet and 20 feet roads, main road facing, fully fencing, 24/7 water supply facility, electricity facility, pollution-free environment, apple plantations, 24/7 security with guards, CCTV cameras and dogs. Coming to the location highlights. It is adjacent to Baba Hawa Mallinath Temple Nawadigi, just 0.5 kilometers from Kalaburegi, Humnabad Highway, 5 minutes drive from Kamlapur bus stand, 30 minutes drive from Humnabad town, 35 minutes drive from Kalaburegi, 1 hour drive from Zahirabad town, and only 1 hour drive from Bidhar city. This project is totally surrounded by lavish green farm trees and plants, having its location few minutes away from major towns and highways. Sandalwood Village offers the perfect combination of tranquility and convenience. Our company, SS Agro Farms, will take care of your plots and trees or plantation maintenance for next 12 years or till lease period for absolutely free. You will get not only high returns for the plantation, but also the land value will increase in the next 10 to 12 years. This makes you to get double bonanza. As each plot comes with sandalwood trees and fruit-bearing plants, you're not just investing in land, you're investing in future growth. Investing in Sandalwood Village means securing a safe, sustainable future. It's the perfect asset to diversify your portfolio, grow your wealth, and ensure long-term financial success for you and your children. Invest today when your kids are small. By the time they grow, you will become financially strong. Don't miss this golden opportunity today. Visit our office at opposite Central Bus Stand near Central Mall, Vidyanagar, Kalaburegi, Karnataka 585102. Book a plot today and watch your wealth grow at Sandalwood Village. For plot bookings, call us at 9494862242. Sandalwood Village. Grow your wealth and secure your future. Invest now